Okay, yeah, look at these stones. Look at it. It's a diamond stone. Um, I picked this stone. It's really big. It's a big one. I picked this stone. See the place that was revealed. This place is a little bit, a lot of scratches because of where I picked it. You can see a color of rainbow on it there. And a lot of other places like colors. You can see another color showing the other side. You can see it. That is how it is all over the stone, anywhere that the stone open. So this is actually a diamond, a rough diamond. This is how it looks. And this one is white in color. It's a color, white color diamond. You can see how it was approaching colorless. Yes. And this one also, it's also another one. This one is pure colorless diamond. You can see how it is from the ground, also from a very dirty place, just washed with water. You can see it. Then you open inside, you can see the shine, everything it shows. Okay, and this one also is also a diamond. You can see it. You can see how it's glittering. You can see it. It's a diamond. This one in clarity, I'll say this one is more clear in clarity rating than all those other ones, but you can see the color this thing that is also showing at that age. The rainbow color like green, blue, soft, something like that. This one is disappearing. It's disappearing. It's showing and disappears. But that is it. If you look at it, you will see it very well. You see the reflecting light. This is also a diamond tested and trusted. This one look like a mirror. Look like a mirror. I've passed through hard way. But this piece of stone, believe me, if you're a dealer, come and test it. Don't be far to judge. I tell you, say it's a piece of diamond. Yes, it is. I will prove it to you with my diamond tester, and I know that my diamond tester will not lie for me. This is actually this one is curved, naturally curved and lined up. Natural diamond. You can see a little impurity here. But the impurity is mainly on the surface, on the outside of it. The inside is very clean, pure colorless. And in terms of clarity, this one merits the best. This should be one of the best clarity diamonds ever. Right? And look at this one. This stone proved to be diamond as well, but due to the shape and everything, I have not confirmed. You can see the colors is showing. I call it sapphire stone, but it's showing a diamond as well. But it's left for the lab to confirm either a diamond or a sapphire. But this is very clear inside and better. And this is just a sample of these stones. I have more of them with me. So thank you very much for watching. I have a very short video. Thank you.